I've modelled this single relay box, and this is Ultimaker Cura, and this is a slicer program. There's 174 layers of plastic in that, and that's what's going on right now. If you can see, the printer's doing its job and it's printing that relay box. So this may take 40 minutes or so. We'll check back in later. Well, I think it's about more than halfway through, and it seems to be printing okay. Soon we'll have a new single relay box for the layout. So this is a test, of course, and once I'm satisfied with the outcome, then I'll print 9 or 12 of them at the same time. It's getting near the end, and it's interesting to note that this is 22 millimeters high, 6 millimeters wide and 7 millimeters long, or 7 wide and 6 long. And in fact, these were dimensions provided to me by Tony Northeastern. So thanks very much, Tony, for that information, and I'll get to the other dimensions that you provided. In the meantime, it seems to be printing okay, and you can just about make out the hinges there, or the door handle. So it'll be finished shortly. Well, there you go, 20 minutes and it's complete. I'll just hit the go home button, and let me see if I can remove it first. Yeah. Anyway, so let's have a look. It's a nice finish, and there you can see clearly that I've got my 2 hinges and a door handle in there, and there's a nice flat roof cap on it. I'll just clean that up, and I've got a small base in the bottom. It's difficult to focus on this. Yeah, you can see the base there. So this is all thanks to Tony Northeastern for giving me this information. Well done, Tony, and maybe I'll send you one of these, or a couple. Anyway, I hope you all like this, and it's just another chapter in using the 3D printer. I try to explain it as we go along, and hopefully you get the idea, and you may be inspired to get yourself a 3D printer similar to this one. So remember to give me the big thumbs up, and subscribe if you would like. It doesn't cost you anything, and ring that bell, because you'll always get notified whenever I do something new. Thanks very much for dropping by. Bye for now.